Hi everybody, this is Scott Werner. This is YouTube to help us. We're taking off to go to Canada on Wednesday, and we're going to be in Ontario, Canada, just outside of Toronto in Hamilton, Canada. The event tickets are available at www.inthelightwellness.com, and it will be in Canadian money, and you can buy tickets. The event is going to be at the St. Gregory the Great Church, and it is 125 Centennial Parkway North in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. This is on Saturday the 8th. Now we will be there Saturday morning, 9:30 a.m. and we'll be talking about health and detoxing until about 11:30 p.m. 11:30 a.m. and we'll eat some lunch. The event is $90 Canadian and it includes lunch. And then in the afternoon, we'll be talking about some spiritual stuff, the visit of Saint Germain and the important message that he has had to increase the DNA in our body, which will help us tremendously with our powers and our abilities and help get rid of personality defects, all kinds of stuff. And then we'll have just kind of a meet and greet and be able to sign books and just have a really good time there in Ontario, Canada. On Sunday the 9th, we'll be at the Guiding Light Church, and which is at 550 Fennel Avenue East there in Hamilton. And that is a normal event that they have, and I'll just be speaking during the services that evening. I think the services start at 7 and go till 8:30, and I'll just be speaking for a few minutes there. And so I look forward to this. I'm going to be doing readings up there in Canada, and we'll meet with people and take good care of you and get you back on track to health. We're also doing a lot of other things up there, so we hope you'll join us, and we'll be there till Monday when we fly back home to Utah. So thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing all our Canadian friends up there, and it's very close to Buffalo, New York, so if you live in Buffalo, come on up into Canada and see us. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.